Sam, by the way, I'm Fabio.
Nice to meet you, Fabio. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you, Shelly. So, what someone brings you?
This year's about the event, my friend said it's good.
Yeah, I had that too. They said there'd be some cool activity later.
Really? That sounds interesting.
So, are you from communication well?
Yep, I am. You too?
Exactly. I can believe I never met before.
My big different class are still new.
True. Anyway, it's nice meeting someone from the same major.
Yes, I'm here. It's in practice.
Thanks you too. Maybe we can hang out after the event.
Sure, that sounds good.
Also, let's enjoy the event
Yeah.
first then. Goodbye.